Hello friends. Welcome to the barabashkakvn channel. Here we research MQL5 and develop trading systems. Subscribe and open up new horizons in automated trading. An example of MQL5 indicator programming for beginners. An indicator that draws a rectangle, OBJ rectangle, on the last 50 bars. Search for maximum and minimum prices. I want to have a rectangle that is automatically drawn on the last 50 bars. This is how I do it manually, and I want to automate these operations. The width of the rectangle is 50 bar. And it is built at the maximum and minimum prices. Let's automate this operation. Let's create an indicator. To do this, go to the MetaEditor and create a new indicator. As usual, add one indicator buffer and one input parameter. This will help automatically generate the correct indicator frame. And right away I'll adjust the color for the input parameters a little. Our indicator does not have indicator buffers, so we reset two variables. Let's clean up the code a little. And add a variable to control the appearance of a new bar. We add two variables for the maximum and minimum prices of the rectangle. In onInit we initialize these variables. Typically, the maximum variable is initialized to the value dBl-min, and the minimum variable is initialized to the value dBl-max. Concept: if this is the first run, or a new bar is born, we search for the maximum and minimum prices among 50 bars. If we work inside the bar, we control the maximum and minimum. To search among 50 bars, we will create the recalculate function. This function searches for the maximum and minimum, and the found values are assigned to the variables mmax and mmin. If prev calculated is 0, often our work is copy-paste. Let's check and try to compile the code. Oops, mistake. Let's fix it now. Everything is fine now. If a new bar has appeared, I'll tweak the editor a little. I don't like the automatic addition of brackets. The function call is the same as in the previous case. Let's bring beauty inside the code. Now the code looks much more beautiful. We control the current ones, high and low. Pay close attention to the signs, do not confuse the less than sign and the greater than sign. Now let's add a flag, a variable with type bool. If the flag is raised, this means that we need to redraw the rectangle. We make changes to the code, raise the redraw flag. We have done all the preparatory actions. Now it's time to add a block of code to create the rectangle and to move the rectangle. Blocks of code we use the documentation. You need to search for the word obj rectangle. We did it all. The indicator works as it should, it searches for the high and low of the last 50 bars. At the same time, it stores resources and does not redraw the rectangle again. I hope this video helped you in learning MQL5 programming. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.